Why are you in that seat?
Because we just passed me.
You have. Now you can relax.
I'm never driving again. Passenger princess forever now.
So, first time pass. With how many faults?
3. Yeah.
Not bad.
And I knew there were faults as well, but
Did you?
it was like...
Go on. What happened?
Well, they felt like faults. Bay Park, I shuffled twice.
I saw that.
Because I thought I was going into Bay 4,
Yeah.
but I'd gone too close to Bay 3, and I was like, I'll just put it in Bay 3, so I had to shuffle twice.
Yeah.
Got a fault for control.
Yeah.
For shuffling.
Yeah.
Basically.
It's worth taking though.
Worth taking fault.
You got 2 choices. You either take that fault,
Yeah, exactly.
or you end up on 2 bays.
Turn it around. Yeah. So I knew I'd done that, but
Yeah.
that was fine.
Yeah, I was watching and I thought, you've got this. You can do it.
Yeah.
And I had a peep, and I thought, you in there.
Yeah, that was it. It was like as soon as I'd pulled forward.
Yeah.
At the second time when I pulled forward, she was like, just put it in the bay now.
Okay.
So and that I took that as, all right, that's my limit. Don't take any longer.
Yeah.
So then I just pulled straight back. But I knew I was in, and I could see both lines.
Good. It's nice though, isn't it? Getting the Bay Park. Like we
away.
Just talked about it.
Yeah, we just done it. I did exactly.
And then you did it.
I did exactly.
And it
that.
was
I
empty
pulled
as
up,
well.
Pulled up to that big bollard.
Yeah.
Pulled back into the correct bay. It was exactly as like
Empty car park,
Yeah.
relaxed, and then after that, your manoeuvre's done. You can just focus on the drive then,
and
not worry about.
yeah, exactly. I did shit myself a little bit.
Yeah.
Because then she was like, when she said, just pull back into the bay, I was like, oh, she's rushing me here because I've done something wrong.
Oh, right.
And then I was like,
So she actually said, just pull back into the bay.
yeah. Well, no, I'm paraphrasing. It probably wasn't quite as like.
So just get on with
obvious
it.
as that. So I felt like it wasn't that.
All right.
She was nice, like, but.
Were you talking at the same time, or?
No,
All right.
not really.
Your blind spots were good as well. I saw that. Like you
Yeah,
pulled
yeah,
away,
yeah.
then stopped again, full sweep, brilliant.
And then she stuck the sat nav on top of and it was just independent drive the whole time, pretty much.
Oh, good.
Like
Yeah.
we drove down here.
So where did the sat nav go on here?
So we went down here. We went.
Did she put it on this?
No, we went on here,
Oh, did it?
like in the back.
Oh, cool.
Yeah,
And it sat okay though.
yeah, it's fine.
Cool.
It was great actually because I could didn't have to take my eyes off the road either.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
So we went down. Down that way, right, and we ended up going all the way down here and then back towards ours,
Oh, okay.
and then down the back towards, and came back through Dobbies that way.
Turning lane,
Yeah.
sharp bend
Yeah,
over the
yeah,
bridge.
yeah.
Oh, good.
That one.
Good.
There was
Nice.
there was a fault for the Bay Park at the start, which I was like, right, fine, whatever.
Yeah.
There was, she said, just like keeping up with pace of traffic. But I did exactly what I said I'd do. Is I'd shit myself when it came to test conditions, and I'd just go way slower than I needed to.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
So I was like, every 30 I was going 25. Every 40 I was going 33. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah. So I'd have been like, come on, you can get to the speed limit.
Yeah. But there was. It was like parts like this where in my head I was like, there's parked cars, I'd rather just be a bit slower.
Okay.
And then on the sections like after that hill, so down past turning lane,
Yeah.
that was when I was like, okay, I can pick up pace here because I know I'm on like,
Yeah.
it's a 60 road, they want to see me get up to speed.
Yeah.
So I was like,
You might not get up to speed on that road, but you're showing
No,
that
yeah, exactly.
you're aware of the speed
yeah,
on that road and the conditions, and you can make progress. Yeah.
at least for a little bit of it I got up to like 50.
Yeah.
So I was like,
Good. You're only in a little chimney as well.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it's not built for speed.
That's it. I didn't even
Cruising
get
about.
I didn't even get up into fifth.
Didn't you?
Like,
Yeah. Cool.
and then there was that. I forgot what the other one was now.
I saw you coming around. I was peeping around the building. I saw you go around the back of Quick Fit.
Yeah.
You disappeared for a second, and then you appeared again.
We just went. That was the end of the test. Was like that roundabout,
Yeah.
and then it was just like 3 roads of independent like follower instructions.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Cool.
But we did get stuck in a bunch of like roadworks. So
Yeah.
I don't know whether like I would have had to do more independent driving. if
No,
it was,
like that's your time. If you get stuck in traffic,
Yeah,
that's your
that's what I
time. Yeah, especially when you've shown a good element of driving and you're out
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
Like it's not a problem. Yeah.
Yeah, there was speed. There was. Oh, and I stalled.
Did you?
Yeah,
But dealt with it.
but dealt with it.
Good.
Clutched down, out of gear, in gear, and just rolled off.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Good.
It wasn't a bad stall. It was like,
Just not enough gas on.
yeah,
Good. Good. So first time pass. 3 faults. How many hours practice?
lesson wise.
Yeah.
I don't know.
So you've done. I need to add them up. You owe me money.
Yeah,
don't you?
yeah.
You're in debt now. So you did 10 hours and then you've done a little bit extra. So I reckon it's about 15 hours. I reckon.
Yeah,
Something like that. And then you've done a lot of private
A lot of
practice,
just-
haven't you, at home in your Mini?
yeah.
Yeah. And you wanted to get it done because
Baby on the way.
there's a baby. Yeah. And if she shouts, "Ah, it's coming!"
Yeah, we can
in
get
the
straight
car,
off,
off
yeah.
to the hospital.